Thanks for coming for today's meeting. The key topic
As leaders, we need to make sure that everyone moves together, stays on the same page, and speak the same language. That is especially true for my team because we run the key IT infrastructure for the Singapore government. We are over 200 strong, and if we are not in sync, things tend to fall apart. Even something small like the introduction of a mobile app requires us to be aligned on new skills and new ways to solve problems. We needed a way to not only bring everyone up to speed, but also work together with a common vision. That's where the GovTech Digital Academy has been very useful. We have been able to customize the programs specifically for our team, and even base it on actual projects to maximize the efficiency of time spent. The facilitators also bring an outside-in perspective to the concepts, stretching our understanding of the subject matter beyond our own perspectives. Today, I've seen a huge change in how we handle projects. We are much more agile and much faster at delivering value and support to our key accounts. As leaders, we know that there is no easy way out. Managing a team and making sure everyone moves towards a single objective takes time and effort. But if we dare to change, challenges can be turned into opportunities, and we can ensure that no one is left behind.